Hi guys, it's Phaedra from allthingsphaedra.com, and I'm here to talk to you about the scariest time of year. No, I don't mean the PTA fundraiser. I don't even mean Halloween. I mean costume planning. And I'm talking last minute costume planning, like the week before Halloween costume planning. And let's say you want to be all cutesy and do a family themed costume. You can just look around your house for inspiration. So how did that look? Pretty easy? Watch this. That's almost the completed project. I've got one more addition. Now, I am truly hot stuff. What do you think? That was a super easy costume that even a 12-year-old could make. Actually, probably better than me. And my confession is that this was totally not my idea. This was inspired by the good, fun family folks over at Laffy Taffy. So be sure to check out my blog post for how to make your very own chili pepper costume. And I've got a whole salsa themed ensemble for your family that you can do tonight. It's easy.